Augments are here to stay in Fortnite, and there are a lot more coming in Fortnite Chapter 4 Season 2, and there's two of them that just got added to the game files that have people talking. One of them being Dragon Armory, and this one is going to give you a chance when you open up chests to get dragon-based weapons like the Dragon Breath Shotty and the Dragon Breath Sniper, and maybe we'll see the flamethrower included in this list. The second one is called the Black Market Augment, and that one is set to be coming soon as well. And this one's a little bit more interesting of augment. It says it gives you unknown items out of chests, similar to the Splash Medic augment. But what are these unknown items? Black market usually are items that are not available on the usual marketplace, and they're usually, you know, illegal. So I'm not sure where this is going. And the first thing I thought of is maybe it's going to give you a chance to get unvaulted weapons. So maybe there's a chance with the Black Market Augment where you can get a pump shotgun even if it's not in the game, or maybe an assault rifle like the infantry. So that would be interesting. It would be a way to bring back unvaulted weapons in a limited fashion. And these augments are set to be coming out soon, probably coming out in Chapter 4 Season 2, as well as some other augments that we saw in the game files like double jump and wall running and Midas's touch. So there is like at least 10 of them that we know about that are not in the game right now. And all of them are very game changing and seem very exciting. What do you guys think about these augments? And do you want Epic to keep coming up with cool, unique augment ideas? I feel like it's a breath of fresh air for Fortnite, and it makes the game play and feel a lot better. And I'm looking forward to see what new augments we get in the next few seasons. Let me know what you think in the comments, and enjoy the rest of this video. There's a guy right underneath you.
It's a chicken. He was gonna show me his wins, and then he started running away, and I wanted him dead.
Crack. These guys look okay.
35 white. You can just fish this guy. You want me to fish him?
Yeah.
Give me one inside.
Scanning his teammate.
Yeah, but it's so strong at the beginning.
Inside the original house room.
Yeah.
And he just sealed me. Hear footsteps.
What? Yeah, he's right here in this building in front of us.
There's a hawk if you want it.
What do you say, Hawker?
Doesn't matter.
It does not.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Alright, we're gonna go with that.
They're still there. Black Knight.
Oh my god, I missed the crystal from me, bro. I already have this thing loaded up.
I feel like messing with the heisted heavy shotgun.
Let me know if you find Julie's.
So you hear these guys looking at, right?
Yeah. I love how I just dropped this guy in and he's like lost.
Yep.
So lost. Didn't mean to offend you. No, it's cool. You just, you know, you just said you didn't like, you know,
The skin that's based on my character and persona and brand and image and likeness.
Yeah, I don't like it. Okay.
I didn't mean to offend you. We will have no social awareness at all.
Let's get out of here, man. How's this fun for you, young PK?
They're going crazy.
I don't know why I gotta keep
Above. Holy smokes. Did he die? Did he die like that? No way. I shot his floor And he fell into the explosion. That's crazy. The cool backbling you had on, buddy. Thank you for buying the Cyrie PK skin. He's kind of dripped out. Purple wizard. Purple own. Ooh, in front of me.
Bro, how? I did not. Oh.
Oh, 185. That sucks, man. Oh, he's above. Dang, that mythic pistol just so crazy.
Oh, really? You're one of those weeks today, huh?
There's a guy near me as well. Not one. Not me.
That should have got me.
Coming to you.
I just won the battle of who can get the other one weaker. His teammate might push me now because I just shit on him. Dude, he can push me. Here he is. He can dually.
90, 100.
80, he's 80. I think that might be weirdo. So
On me. I need to look.
I'm coming. Yeah, you hit on him. Guy's name is what happened? Well, 2 more players coming. Last two. One's over here. One's right there. Sweetness up.
Yep. Go.
And then I think it's just a random AI. I'm gonna try to scout real quick.
Yeah, that's smart.
Here he is. Boom. 1, 2.
Oh, one's already on me.
I gotta run. I'm getting dropped. Careful.
Yeah. He's about to peek me.
127 they got shot.
100. Knock.
That guy's trapped down low. He's trying to shoot me.
100.
Dog did. Oh, it's desktop Dave.
GG's.
Easy, bud. Not dog did. Sorry.
I remember one time I was facing off against Sancho West in the end game, and he like third partied me really hard, and I was like, "Yes, break him!" Oh my god! And then I was like, "Oh my god, it's Sancho! Sancho, I'm sorry, man. I didn't beat it." That's how you know, like, it's really never that serious.
Yeah.
I think the worst thing is like if like you run into a streamer or something, you're like shit on or something, and they take it personally. And like, no, man, it's we're just gaming, bro. We're just gaming.
Fighting, so.
Yeah.
What's this guy doing?